popping queen. How are you all doing today? Hello, how are you all doing? Do you guys miss me? Do you miss me? I know you missed me. If you miss me, comment down below so I know you're a popping queen, you're a popping gang. How are you guys doing? I hope you're poppy. Guys, we are back. Yes, we are back. Guys, there's been a lot going on. Yes, your girl is back and it's about to be what? Poppy. I miss you guys. This is for you guys. Look what I've got here. I have got this wig from what? ROYALME Hair. ROYALME Hair sent me this beautiful wig, okay? You guys, this is not my first time using ROYALME wigs. Their wigs are always beautiful. If you go on my channel, you will see that I have used ROYALME wigs. Beautiful wigs. So today, we are going to be trying their what? Headband wig, okay? Headband wig is literally new, yes, to the market. So if you haven't seen headband wig, let's open this wig, because guys, this is my first time as well seeing headband wig in real life. Okay, let's open, guys. Look at this packaging. Look at this packaging. By the way, if you wanna buy ROYALME wigs, check them out. The link is gonna be down below. Okay, it is gorgeous packaging. Let's open. Let's open. Ta-da! 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 Woo! Guys, look at the headband. I think that's the headband. Let's see. So, headband. Ta-da! They have a lot of colors. A lot of color. A lot of design. They have the sparkling one. A lot. They have the one with diamante, so you can choose any one you want. Okay, this one I chose black because black can go with a lot of outfits. You guys know that. So let's see the hair. Look at that wig. It is 36 inches. This is my first time trying a 36 inches wig, guys. Let's open it. Wow, guys, 36 inches. 36 inches. I think it's best I try 36 inches wig when it is what? Headband. Because imagine if I have to install it on the front, so that would be too long for me. But let's see. Guys, the good thing about this wig is, yeah, they come with this one. So this is the one you use as a headband. This is the one. So this is a headband, the actual headband. I think the other one is just the one you put on top after tying it. So this one is a black one. Long. Look at the hair texture. Beautiful. Guys, believe me, ROYALME wigs, their texture is beautiful. I've tried the hair before. Beautiful hair. I love this hair. I'm gonna be wearing this hair often, only because I don't have to do the closure, the frontal, I'll do anything. All I need to do is just to wear them. Look at that. Guys, look at that. Nice, guys. I love it already. The good thing about headband wig is you don't need to do nothing. You can literally wake up, do your makeup. All you need to do is just to wear your wig. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. So, let's do it. So, let's do it. Wow. Wow. Easy peasy. Easy. So easy. Make sure you buy your cap size. So they have different cap size. Oh my God. I can just look popping in minutes. I love it already. Wow, this is for the lazy people like me. If you know me very well, you can tell I don't wear frontals a lot, only because I'm lazy like that. Yes, but I love to glam people up. I love to do that for people. But me personally, it's just too stressful doing this baby hair. You can just pull it backwards if you want your baby hair to show. Let's pull a little bit backwards. Yeah, that's it. Wow. I love it. Oh my god, so you can pull it back. If you can even pull it up to here. Oh wow, let's pull it a little bit more. I think that's okay. So our wig cap will not show. Yeah, a little bit more. Oh no, I think it's fine now. Ta-da! I love it. I love it. Wow. You know what, to be honest, I think you don't actually need to use this. This is just fancy, okay? I think this is just extra. You don't really need to use this. I just love this black. I think I'm just going to use that all by itself. I don't think I'm going to put this on because, no. I can just put this if I just want to do that. You see? Or if I want to do this. No, I think I like it by itself. I just like the black. I don't want people to think that I'm actually doing extra. But this is nice. No. I think I'm just... Wow. I love it. Easy. This is the easiest thing on earth when it comes to hair. I think I think this... Wow. Guys, I can't even stop. Like, is that easy to just get ready? Very easy. You can just get ready like this. I'm ready. I'm going out. And I'm popping, okay? I love this. Easy. Like I said, if you want to check ROYALME wigs, the link is going to be down below. This is 36 inches. I'm going to zoom it out so you guys can see. I am popping. I am slaying to the god. I love this. Easy. Just put it on and you can go. And you can just put this extra. But no, I don't think I want to use this because it doesn't even match with my outfit. Because no. This one, I don't want to try too much with that. This is good. I love this. Just like this. I'm going to zoom it out so you guys can see. Wow, guys. I love it. I am looking cute. Look. I love it. Guys, I love it. Looking nice. Wow. 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 36 inches. I love it. It looks so natural as well because no one can see any baby hair. No one can see where my hair stops or where it ends. I love it. Guys, love it. I think I love to wear my hair like this. Let me just put it this way. Just like this. Yeah, I think I like it like this. Prefer it like this. Wow, guys, I love it. I love it. I'm popping. I'm slaying to the god. Like, look at me. Wow. That's it for ROYALME wigs. What do I think about this wig? What do I think about headband wig? I think headband wig has come to stay. Reason being that it's very easy to wear. Even if you don't know anything about wigs, you can wear this wig. Yes, you can wear this wig. Somebody like me who is lazy me can wear this wig anytime, any day, very quick. Just tie your headband just like you tie your headband. Yes, that's it. Headband wig. I love it. I love the inches because this is my first time actually wearing 36 inches. I have 30 but not 36. I love this wig. I love the fact that it's a curly hair. That way I don't need to do nothing. I just have to wear my hair and I just go. That's it, guys. So if you want to buy ROYALME wigs, The link is gonna be down below. Also, let me know what you think about me. If I'm looking popping, if I'm slaying to the god, let me know. Also, let me know if you miss me, guys. Yes, I want to see your comment. You guys interact in the comment section because I've missed you all. Okay, I am gonna be in the comment section as well. Thumbs up this video, share with your family and friends, and I want to see your comment in the comment section. Also, like I said, ROYALME wigs link is gonna be down below. Bye, guys.